Do you think that starting a YouTube channel is difficult? Then in this video, I am going to show you a easy way to create a faceless YouTube channel by using AI. The advantage of starting a faceless YouTube channel is you don't need camera or mic and other equipments, and you don't need to invest money for anything to start the faceless YouTube channel. It sounds amazing, right? So grab your coffee and let's do this. Before that, if you want to learn various side hustle like this, then I recommend you to check out the playlist in the above cards. So this is my amazing computer and we are gonna do some research in ChatGPT that are based on the faceless YouTube channel. The first prompt we are gonna give is tell me a best paying a faceless YouTube channel niches in 2025. After ChatGPT given the results, choose one niche that you are interested in it. I choose finance and investing because I like the niche. Don't select two or more niche because it doesn't give results, especially on YouTube. So focus on one niche and create a content about that and spend all energy into one YouTube channel at the starting stage. After you have chosen the niche, give second prompt like give me the most 10 viral ideas about the niche. Put your chosen niche instead of finance and investing. By giving the prompt like that, the ChatGPT gives 10 most viral ideas about your niche. For now, select one idea. I am choosing this idea. After choosing the idea, we are gonna give last prompt such as can you generate a script for a 5-minute video to this idea. By this, the ChatGPT generate script for your idea to make 5 minutes video. Copy the script separately. Now you are gonna use the AI website that makes an AI video automatically for the script. So the AI website called as invideo.ai. The link is also in the description, so check it out. I already discussed about InVideo in my previous videos. So this is the interface of InVideo. You have to sign up to use. You can generate 10 minutes video per week in the free version. You can only export video with a watermark. At the starting stage, I recommend you to try to make content with the free version. After getting subscribers or monetized, you can upgrade it. But if you have some money to invest, then upgrade to plus that enough for now. There are various AI websites that are free to this feature. If you can search it, you can find various AI websites. Try out the website and make the content. Comment if you know the website that are free to this feature. Now paste the copied script for ChatGPT. After that, click generate video. After the video generated, check the video carefully because AI might do some mistakes.
Not thinking about investing, you're missing out on the single greatest start investing. Even if you're broke, confused, or totally a month, can retire with over $500,000 more than someone who starts high interest debt like credit cards. Investing while drowning in 20, but you can afford to invest without stress.
After you checked, click download and upload it on YouTube. Make an attractive thumbnail for your video because thumbnail is the only thing that the people see. And create a SEO based title and a description for your video. At the beginning stage, you will get small or no views because in that time, YouTube algorithm reach your channel. So it takes time to read your channel and push to the people. So never give up on uploading. Once YouTube reach your channel, you will automatically get more views and subscribers. So you should be patient and consistent in uploading to succeed in YouTube. And of course, don't try to switch your niche often. Stick your niche and make content about the niche only. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to TechD for more side hustles. Follow us on Instagram, Telegram for future updates. See you in next video. Have a nice day.